The Shape Adventure. Once upon a time in a colorful land called Shapeville, there lived 4 best friends: Circle, Square, Triangle, and Rectangle. They all had different shapes and loved to play together. One sunny day, the 4 friends decided to go on an adventure. They wanted to explore the Shape Forest, a magical place where all the shapes in the world came from. As they walked into the forest, they met a wise old shape wizard. "Hello, young shapes," he said. "If you want to explore the Shape Forest, you must complete 3 fun challenges. Are you ready?" The friends were excited and nodded eagerly. Challenge 1: the Bridge of Circles. The wizard led them to a river with a broken bridge. The bridge was made of wooden planks, but some were missing. "To cross the river, you need to fix the bridge using circles," said the wizard. Circle jumped up. "I can help," he said. Circle found some large, round stones that were the same shape as him. He rolled them into place, and soon the bridge was complete. The friends crossed the river safely, thanking Circle for his help. Challenge 2: the Maze of Squares. Next, they reached a tall maze made of big walls. The walls were shaped like squares, and the path inside was very confusing. "I'll lead the way," said Square confidently. "I know all about squares, and I can spot the right path." Square led his friends through the maze, taking turns at every corner. After a few twists and turns, they finally reached the exit. "Hooray for Square!" cheered the friends. Challenge 3: the Tower of Triangles and Rectangles. At last, they arrived at a tall tower. To reach the top, they had to build steps using triangles and rectangles. "This looks like a job for us," said Triangle and Rectangle. Triangle carefully placed himself on the ground as the first step, his 3 sides making a sturdy base. Rectangle placed himself next, with his long sides creating a flat step. They continued this way, building step after step until they reached the top of the tower. When they reached the top, the Shape Wizard appeared again. "Congratulations, young shapes! You have completed all the challenges. You worked together and used your unique shapes to solve problems." The friends were so happy. They knew that even though they were different shapes, they were stronger when they worked together. From that day on, Circle, Square, Triangle, and Rectangle continued to explore Shapeville, always ready for a new adventure, and always helping each other along the way. And so, in Shapeville, the friends lived happily ever after, discovering that every shape has its own special power. The Shape Adventure. Once